Welcome back to Fox 2 News at 6. As school districts across the metro area continue to make decisions on mask wearing practices inside the classroom, health officials in our regional hospitals say that they're now seeing children in hospital beds fighting COVID-19. All new at 6, Fox 2's Blair Leday talked to a doctor from BJC who tells us there are now babies as young as just a few weeks old testing positive for the virus.
Parents expressed mixed emotions when it comes to mask requirements inside of the classrooms. Some support it and others want to choose for their children. At the same time, the pandemic task force reports there were 20 children in hospital beds in our area Tuesday. Thursday, that number jumped to 25.
Early on in the pandemic, when the youngest of children seemed to be not impacted, or they just wouldn't get it, though some would, but rarely, now a lot of them are getting it.
It's a change causing concern along with the summer surge in cases in general. Dr. Jason Newland with BJC says recent studies into sequencing show over 90% of hospitalizations are related to the Delta variant.
But what we're seeing now is we're seeing more disease, and we're dealing with this Delta variant that's 1,000 times more transmissible.
Newland says the age group of those infected and hospitalized originally has drastically dropped.
We're seeing as little as a few weeks of age being infected with COVID-19. So it's all children can be infected. And so that it goes down, and we're seeing it at all ages admitted to the hospital.
He says the symptoms in children are comparable to those of a common cold. Most children will be fine, but they could transmit the virus to others who would not.
And it continues to be this illness that can look like a lot of things that causes a cold, but also has some of these unique findings like loss of taste or smell.
The challenge comes as scientists continue trials to create a vaccine approved for children under 12 years of age. Right now, Pfizer is the only vaccine children 12 and up can receive. Until then, he urges those who qualify to get vaccinated and those who don't to continue taking precautions.
And I think that's what we have to do in schools for now, right? We need to basically, put on our masks and choose some distance, stay home when we're sick. And I think that'll keep us from having more disease and more people being admitted to the hospital, including children.
Blair Leday, Fox 2 News.